Prestissima here. Today, we're going to learn an African-American folk song called Crawdad Song. Crawdad Song has some really fun rhythms. It's one of my favorites. And it uses lots of 16th notes. Let's have some fun. All right, Crawdad Song uses notes from the F major scale, meaning we're going to play it in the key of F major. So let's practice our F major scale. We know the F major scale has one flat, B flat. So let's try playing it. We're going to start on F, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay, good job. All right, time signature is 4/4, meaning we have 4 beats per measure, and quarter note gets the beat. Okay, if we take a little peekaboo, we do see some 16th notes. Ooh, fun. More, and we see that mixed pattern with 8th notes and 16ths. That's going to be very, very fun. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and subdivide this whole thing into 4s so we can count the 16th notes. All right, so I'm going to count and point this right hand, and I'll count off 4 so we can get started. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All right, I'm going to play the right hand while I count. I'm not going to point, so follow along with your eyes and ears, okay? I'll count 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and then we'll come in on 1. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All right, now let's go right to playing and counting the left hand. I'm not going to point, so follow along with your eyes and ears. I'll count off 4 for you, and then we'll go. Ready? Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All right, so you're going to learn your right hand, counting and subdividing. You're going to learn your left hand, counting and subdividing. And remember, when something is challenging, you want to play it very slowly at first and then speed it up, okay? Then once you have those 2 hands separate, put them together. Then you're going to learn the lyrics and sing the lyrics while you play both hands. Then you're going to learn the solfege and play the solfege while you play both hands. Let me give you some tips. All right, so let's look at the right hand. Now look, you'll see that some of the fingerings are written in for you just to help us out a little bit. So it suggests we start on our third finger. Okay, that's easy enough. And then I'll go to 5, 3, 3. Aha, and then there's a little tiny stretch. And then go to 2, 1, 2. Might as well play 2, 3 again, right? Just like we were doing. Okay, let's keep going. Then it says start on 5, or 4, it's 2 finger right there. So I'll play 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4. Okay, that all fits really easily, right? We don't have to move our hand. And then I'll play 4, 1 for babe. 4, 1. Okay. All right. Now here, I'm going to play 1 and 3 to 1 and 2 to 1. Aha! Now remember, the B flat carries through the measure, right? This accidental means all the B flats after are going to be flat too, right? Until you see a different sign or until you reset with the bar line. So that's B flat, and then we play the B flat again, but 1 and 2 with the C, and then just the B flat. Okay, next. All right, same pattern. 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4. But now we're going to jump our finger down to the A, 5 finger. 5, I'm going to say 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3. I'll go 2, 1, a little tiny stretch. 5, 3, 2, 1, yep, I like that. And then I'll go up to 2 again, it says. 2, 4, see this guy? That's a tie, right? That means that these 2 notes get held together. So you're not going to lift and play that again. Okay, so this counts as one whole beat now. So it's 1 E and a, 2 E and a, right? Anyway, so we're going to play 2 there to 4, 5. Now, I have some more notes coming up here. So I think I'm going to do a little stretch down to 3, 2, 1, 1. So 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1. That works for me. So I'm going to write it in so I don't forget it. I'll put 3 here. 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay, good. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you do something else. 2, 4, 5, 2, 1. You can cross over if you want. 2, 2. That works too. This one works for me, so I'm going to write it in and leave it like that. So 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, now what do I have here? I have that B flat and D, and I'll come down 1 and 3 to 1 and 2. There we go. Okay, good. And then I'll play the B flat, and it's B flat, right? Because we had the B flat earlier in the measure. It carries all the way through. So that's B flat there again. And then down to the C and E again with 1 and 2. And this way I'll see notice how we're going back and forth. Okay. And see how the B flat is B flat here too. Okay. And then I'll play 1 and 5 here. Looks good to me. All right, let's look at the left hand. Now, honestly, the trickiest part about this whole left is counting all the rests. So make sure when you practice it, you practice this left hand and you know where all the rests are, okay? Other than that, we're in good shape here. So I'm just going to play 5, and then you don't have to play anything else for a whole measure. All right, then we're going to come over here. I will play 1 and 3 on that, okay? And then I think I'm going to play 1 and 3 again on that F and B flat. I like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to jump my whole hand up because I like 1, 3, 5 there. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, then you have a little bit of rest here. Okay, and then we have a low C. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, then I'm going to play that 5, and I'll play 5, 4, 3, and then 1, or 2. I'm sorry, 2 there. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and then I'll come over here. I'll play 1. I'll play 1 and 3 again. So 1, 3 here, 1, 3 here. I think 1 and 2 there, and then 1 and 2. Let's see. Well, you can practice it and see what is I like 1 and 3. I like 1 and 3 there. I like 1 and 2. And I like 1 and 2. And then down to 5. Okay? Now, you're going to experiment and see what feels best for you. And then you might want to write them in so that you remember. I might experiment a little bit more, but I think this is the one I like. I'll try it a little bit and we'll see. And then I like 5 here. Okay, now, I'll probably go 1, and then 2, okay, and then 5 down here, okay? So it's up to you. I like 1, 2, 5, and then I think I'm gonna play 3 on the B flat up to F. Yes, I like that. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. That's fun. Okay, and then I'll go. I might as well play. It's B flat again, right? Because there's a flat in the measure. So afterwards, it's gonna stay flat. And then I think the 3, 1 was good for me there. And then B flat again. And then we know it's B flat again because it was here too, right? Okay. So let's see, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and then I have to jump down, right? So I'm just gonna jump my whole hand, and I'll play F with my 1, C with my 2, F with my 5. Okay, so 3, 1, oops, B flat, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and then jump down, 1, 2, 5. All right, that works for me, but you figure out what works best for you and jot it down so you remember. Now let's notice these dynamics. See, we have another situation where it's mezzo forte in this melody line, and then mezzo piano in the accompaniment where it's not melody, right? So it only says it in the beginning. We don't see anywhere else. So it indicates that they want us to play the melody a little bit louder and then the accompaniment a little bit softer, right? Like when you're singing, you want to hear the melody. So they want you to play the melody a little bit louder, mezzo forte, and the accompaniment in your left hand, mezzo piano, a little softer. Now, what does it say down here? It says, draw a circle around all the thirds within this song. Okay, let me get my handy dandy pencil, which I always keep at my piano, and draw a circle around all the thirds. So let's see. Do I see any here? Aha! There's a third. That's not a third. Okay, no. No. Is that a third? Yes. Okay, none of those. None of these. Aha! Found one. No. Yes. Yes. Any more? Let's see. Is that a third? Yes, it is. How about this one? Oops, overlapping. That one? Yes. How about this one? Oh my goodness, these are all thirds, right? I'll make littler circles. Dee, dee, dee. Okay, any more? Nope, that's it. All right, there's more. What does it say? Work with your teacher to determine the places in this piece where it is useful to employ drop, roll, and lift techniques. Yay! today, we learned a Crawdad Song. And we got to play a whole bunch more 16th notes. And we got to play a bunch of fancy rhythms. So keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out.